New chapter limits. Meaning of x approaches a. Let x be a variable and a be a constant. Since x is a variable, we can change its value at pleasure. If it can be so changed that the value comes nearer and nearer to a, we say that x approaches a, and we write it as x approaches a. Now, definition of a limit. The limit of a function for a given value of a variable is that constant to which the function continuously approaches as the variable approaches the given value, such that the difference between the constant and the function may be made as small as we please by making the variable approach sufficiently near its assigned value. Now the right-handed and the left-handed limit. A function fx is said to possess a right-handed limit as x approaches a from values greater than a, and is expressed as limit x approaches a plus fx. See the diagram. A function fx is said to possess a left-hand limit as x approaches a from values less than a, from minus infinity to a, limit x approaches a minus fx. Note that the function will have a limiting value only if its right hand limit equals its left hand limit. Now, working rule for finding the left hand and the right hand limits. First part, to find the left hand limit as x approaches a, we put x is equal to a minus h in fx, so that when x approaches a, h approaches 0. So limit x approaches a minus fx becomes limit h approaches 0 f a minus h. Number 2, to find the right hand limit, put x is equal to a plus h in fx, so that when x approaches a, h approaches 0. Then the limit x approaches a plus fx becomes limit h approaches 0 f a plus h. Questions based on these. Question number 1. Let fx be equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. Find if limit x approaches to fx exists. Solution. Finding the left hand limit. Limit x approaches 2 minus x square minus 4 upon x minus 2, which is same as limit x approaches 0, 2 minus h whole square minus 4 upon 2 minus h minus 2. We have limit h approaches 0, h square minus 4h upon minus h, which is limit h approaches 0, h minus 4 upon minus 1. On putting the limit, minus 4 upon minus 1, which comes to 4. Now the right hand limit. Limit x approaches 2 plus x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. Limit h approaches 0, 2 plus h whole square minus 4 upon 2 plus h minus 2. It simplifies to limit h approaches 0, h square plus 4h upon h. On putting limit h approaches 0, we have the right hand limit as 4. Now since the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit is equal to 4, limit x approaches to fx exists and is equal to 4. Question number 2. Prove that limit x approaches 0 mod x upon x, where x is not equal to 0, does not exist. Now the right hand limit x approaches 0 plus mod x upon x is equal to limit h approaches 0 mod 0 plus h upon 0 plus h, which is equal to h upon h equals to 1. Finding the left hand limit x approaches 0 minus mod x upon x equals to limit h approaches 0 mod 0 minus h upon 0 minus h, which is modulus minus h upon minus h, which is h upon minus h, which is equal to minus 1. Now since the right hand limit is not equal to the left hand limit x approaches 0 mod x upon x does not exist. Now some important theorems on limits. Number 1, limit x approaches a, f plus gx is equal to limit x approaches a, fx plus limit x approaches a, gx. Number 2, limit x approaches a, f minus gx is equal to limit x approaches a, fx minus limit x approaches a, gx. Number 3, limit f gx is equal to limit x approaches a, fx into limit x approaches a, gx. Number 4, limit x approaches a, f divided by gx is equal to limit x approaches a, fx divided by limit x approaches a, gx. Number 5, limit x approaches a, fx to the power whole to the power n is equal to limit x approaches a, fx whole to the power n. Number 6, limit x approaches a, log fx is equal to log limit x approaches a, fx. Now solving algebraic limits. The following methods are generally used to evaluate the algebraic limits. Number 1 is the direct substitution, then factorization, then we have the form x to the power n minus a n upon x minus a, then the fourth one is rationalization, and the fifth one is limit x approaches infinity type.